Morning, second piece students. Today recall the rate measure concept. First of all, what is the volume of the cone? Volume of the cone. What is the volume of the cone? 1/3 pi r square h. What is the volume of the cylinder? Pi r square h. Volume of the sphere? 4/3 pi r cube. This is the first important one. And next, what is the velocity? Velocity definition is the rate of change in displacement is called velocity. Displacement is denoted by S. So, yeah, displacement nothing but in the mathematics distance. ds by dt. The rate of change in displacement. The rate of change in displacement means displacement rate of change means ds by dt is called velocity. Acceleration. The rate of change in velocity is called acceleration. So, acceleration is denoted by A. A is equal to dv by dt over r d square s by dt square. D square s by dt square. And what rate of change in volume? Rate of change in volume means dv by dt. Rate of change in area dA by dt. dA by dt means derivative with respect to t. Surface area in rate of change ds by dt. Rate of change are increasing, decreasing, rate measure are all are same. So yesterday some one or two small problems are completed. Let us start next one. This one today onwards. So the all problems may be maximum important, not maybe or maximum 5 marks important problems. So listen carefully. First, fifth, a sand is dropped into a quiet lake. A stone is dropped into a stone is dropped into a quiet lake. Quiet lake, and waves move in move in circles at the speed of at the speed of 5 centimeters per second. At the instant when the radius of the circular wave of the circular waves is 8 centimeters. How fast is the enclosed area increasing? Increasing also rate of change, decreasing also rate of change. Okay, so what is given? A stone is dropped into a quiet lake. Drop means dropped into a lake, and waves are moves in the shape of circle. Waves are shape of circles at the speed of 5 centimeters per second. Waves are not which type of waves are came? This type of waves. So the radius is increasing First circle, second circle, third circle, fourth circle. The circles are the big circles, one by one by one. These are radius are increasing. What is the given data? Radius increasing rate. Speed. Speed means radius. Which is increasing? Radius is increasing. At the same areas also increasing. But what to find out? We have to find out area increasing. Okay, ripples. So these are so many ripples. One by one ripples. Ripples are increasing. Ripples increasing means radius increasing, at the same time area, perimeter, all are increasing. But what you have to given? Radius increasing rate. dr by dt. dr by dt is equal to 5 centimeters per second. And radius of the circular wave is 8 centimeters. R is equal to 8 centimeters. So what we have to find? Enclose the area increasing. Increasing also rate of change. So area is denoted by dA. dA by dt is equal to what? So what is the area of this? What is the about the circle? Okay, ripples are which shape? Circle shape. So area of circle. Area of circle A is equal to pi r square. Derivative with respect to r or with respect to x, with respect to t. Which one? With respect to t, because rate of change. So dA by dt is equal to pi into pi, always constant, r square derivative 2r into derivative of r is equal to dr by dt. So 2 pi r is equal to 8 into dr by dt is equal to 5, that is equal to 80 pi. What is the area? 80 pi area units centimeter square per second units. This one. First problem, total problem you have to observe, and we get which type of, which circle or square, rectangle, cone or any one. First decide the which one. Next, what will given? What we have to given? Radius per second means by dt. Only centimeters means only distance. This by centimeter per second, cubic centimeter per second means this is the centimeters count is going on, work is going on. Okay, next. A balloon which always remains. Okay, write down first. Okay, this problem. Okay, a balloon which always remains spherical on inflating in being inflated by the pumping. And balloon gas pumping. Okay, gas is pumping. The balloon in gas is pumping. The which shape? The balloon is which shape is available? Spherical. Already given. Spherical. Second one, spherical. The balloon pumping the gas. The shape is spherical type. Spherical means sphere type. But which one is about the which diagram? Spherical. The total problem is about the spherical. The spherical pumping while 9 cubic centimeter of gas per second is increasing. Okay, per second 900 cubic centimeter per second is increasing. Okay, find the which the radius of the balloon increases. The radius of the balloon and the volume is also increasing. Volume is increasing. At the same time, radius also increasing. This is the sphere. Volume increasing at the same time, radius also increasing. So, the volume increasing rate are given. So, what we have to find? Radius increasing rate. This is dV by dt is given, but we have to find out? dr by dt. dr by dt and r is given. dr by dv by dt is given. So, totally what we have to find out? dr by dt. This is which shape? Spherical shape. So, dV by dt is equal to 900 centimeter per cube second. R is equal to 15 centimeters. What we have to find out? dr by dt is equal to question mark. What is the volume of the sphere? Volume of the sphere. See here, above, up. Volume of the sphere, volume of the sphere. Volume of the sphere V is equal to 4 by 3rd pi r cube. Differentiate with respect to t. dV by dt is equal to 4 by 3rd into pi is constant. Derivative r cube, derivative of x cube, 3x square, 3r square into dr by dt. dV by dt is equal to 900, 3 cancel, 4 pi into what is r? R is equal to 15. 15 square is equal to 15 into 15 into dr by dt. So, dr by dt we have to find out. dr by dt is equal to 900 by 4 pi into 15 into 15. 15 ones, 15 60s, 15 ones, 15 fours. Okay. That is equal to 1 by pi centimeter per second. 1 by pi centimeter per second. Okay. Let's see. This is the 10th problem. Very important. To maximum 99% to confirm question. 99% confirm question. This is very important. Listen carefully. Observe each and every step. Okay. A ladder 5 meter long is leaning against a wall is leaning against a wall is leaning against a wall against a wall. We stop. The bottom of ladder is bottom BOTTOM. The bottom of ladder. The bottom of ladder is the bottom of ladder is pulled along the ground. Pulled along the ground. Away from the wall. Away from the wall. At the rate of at the rate of 2 centimeter per second. 2 centimeter per second. How fast is its height? How fast is its height? Its height on the wall decreasing. On the wall decreasing. When the foot of the ladder. When the foot of the ladder is 4 centimeters. Ladder is 4 meters. 4 meters. Away from the wall. Away from the wall. This is the question. Ladder. This is the wall. This is the foot. This is a ladder. A, O, B. This is the 5 meter ladder length. 5 meter. 5 meter long, a leaning against a wall ladder. Okay, 5 meter long ladder. The bottom of a ladder pulled along the ground. Pulled along the ground from the wall. From the wall. Pulled from the wall. The rate 2 centimeter per second. This is X, this is Y. Okay, what we have to given? What will given? The X meters pulled. Pulled how many meters? X meters pulled. So, okay, which rate to? So, given dx by dt is equal to 2 centimeter per second. How fast is its height on the wall decreasing when the foot of the ladder is 4 meter? Foot of the ladder 4 meter pulled. 4 meter pulled, which increasing rate. So x is equal to 4 meter. 2 centimeter per second is convert into meters. Centimeters convert into meters. Okay, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters, but 2 centimeters is equal to 2 by 100 meter per second, that is equal to 0.02 meter per second, because the ladder length meters and the x length meters, the total meters. So this one is increasing rate is centimeter. Okay, x dx by dt, dx by dt ಇದೆ x. Okay, next ladder length and AB is equal to 5 meters, OA is equal to y, OB is equal to x. So this is pull the ladder 4 meters. So pulled means this is height of the ladder is decreasing. Okay, this is ladder is pulled means this is the ladder O to B, this is the pulled the ladder means this is the base is increasing and the height is decreasing. So what we have to find out, this which rate the ladder, the height is decreasing, which rate. Okay, so dx by final dy by dt is equal to question mark. Once again, 5 meter long ladder, wall against the wall along the base. So 5 meter long, so x 4 meters pull the ladder, 4 meters pull the ladder. Okay, pull the ladder from the wall. So 4 meters pull the ladder, that ladder rate of change is given, this one base rate of change is given 2 centimeter per second, to convert into meter per second. So the ladder is pulled means this is the base is increasing and the height is decreasing. What we have to find out? The height decreasing rate, that means dy by dt equal to what? What we will given? Dx by dt, x, all are given. So dy by dt. So that is the triangle OAB is a right angle triangle. So what is the triangle? 5 square is equal to x square plus y square. So that implies y square is equal to 25 minus x square. Y is equal to root of 25 minus what is x? 4. Okay, 4 so 16, that is equal to 3. 25 minus 16 is equal to 9. Root 9 is equal to 3. So therefore x square plus y square is equal to 25. Derivative with respect to t. X square derivative 2x into dx by dt plus 2y into dy by dt is equal to 0. Okay, derivative x square derivative 2x, again x derivative dx by dt. So 2 to cancel. X, what is x value? 4 into dx by dt is equal to 0.02 plus y is equal to 3 into dy by dt is equal to 0. So 3 into dy by dt is equal to minus 0.082. So dy by dt is equal to minus 0.08 by 3. Negative means what? Negative value means what? Decreasing. Positive value means increasing. Positive value means increasing. Okay, once again, this ladder against the wall along the base, 5 meter long ladder. This is the height not given. This is pulled. The ladder pulled 4 meter long, and the rate of x, the OB is equal to x, the rate of increasing rate. This is pulled means increasing. the distance is increasing rate is given, dx by dt is equal to 2 centimeter per second. 2 centimeter per second is converted into meter per second because the ladder length and the x length are given for meters. Only rating with the rate of change is only centimeters, only 1 is centimeters, remaining 2 measurements are meters. That's why that second centimeters convert into meters. Okay, this is the right angle triangle. What we find out? That's the height of the wall is decreasing rate. What we have to find? Decreasing rate. It means dy by dt. The height y, the decreasing rate dy by dt. Decreasing means negative value. Positive value means increasing. So this is the right angle triangle. Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. This is y square is equal to, this is y value, and x square plus y square 25. Derivative with respect to x, and apply the all values. Find out finally dy by dt is equal to minus 0.08 by 3. Minus is nothing but decreasing. What value decreasing? 0.08 by 3. Meter per second is decreasing, negative. Okay, look at the 1 minute, observe it. This is very important one. All are will take snap, screenshot and practice them. Next. Okay, next one, last problem. A particle moves along the curve (11th one). A particle moves along the curve y is equal to 6y. 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. Full stop. Find the points. Find the points on the curve. Find the points on the curve at which the y coordinate is changing 8 times. Is changing 8 times as fast as x coordinate. Find the points. given one, what is one given first one given 6y is equal to x cube plus 2, this is given. First to differentiate with respect to t, 6 into dy by dt is equal to x cube derivative 3x square into dx by dt plus 0. So another condition is find the points on the curve at which the y coordinate is. Y coordinate is means y coordinate is nothing but y, x coordinate is nothing but x. 8 times 8 times 8 into x coordinate. So differentiate with respect to x, dy by dt is equal to dy by dt is equal to 8 into dx by dt. 3 ones, 3 twos. So 2 into what is the dy by dt? Dy by dt is equal to 8 into dx by dt. Dy by dt is equal to, this is the coordinate is changing 8 times as fast. Changing means y coordinate is changing is nothing but dy by dt, direct. Okay, direct. Changing is nothing but rate of change. So 8 into dy by dx is equal to x square into dx by dt. So dx by dt cancel. X square is equal to 8 into 2 16. X is equal to plus or minus 4. All 2 into x is plus or minus 4. This is the equation number 1. Find the points. What we have to find? Find the points on the curve. So from 1 means put, for example, x is equal to plus or minus 4 means plus 4 or minus 4. From 1, 6 into y is equal to first taken 4 cube plus 2. Next again 6y is equal to minus 4 whole cube plus 2. So 6y is equal to 64, 16, 64, 66, y is equal to 11, 6y is equal to minus 64 plus 2 means minus 62. So y is equal to 3 2s, let the 2 3s, 2 3s, 2 3s, 2 1s. So y is equal to minus 31 by 3. Therefore the points are 64 minus 64 plus 2. So 4 comma 11 and minus 4 comma minus 31 by 3, minus 4 comma minus 30. This x value 4 substitution after y value we get value 11. X is equal to minus 4, substitute in the given from 1. So we get y value minus 31 by 2. And the points are, what is the points are? 4, 11 and minus 4 comma minus 31 by 3. Okay, maximum 5 in the chapter only 5 marks question or the 5 marks question are given. So maximum main 5 marks question all are completed. This is tomorrow the next topic, increasing and decreasing. In the increasing and decreasing compulsory one question, 2 marks question or 3 marks question, maximum 2 marks question. Okay, good, thank you.